For coding C# in Unity, in my IDE, which is Visual Studio here, you can see there's no autocomplete nor compiler to check the errors in the real time either. So this video, I'm going to solve this problem. So first, let's go to the upper menu, select Tools, and hit the first one, Get Tools and Features. And now, let's scroll down and go to the Gaming. We check Game Development with Unity and install it. I click Modify here, and it will take a moment. Remember to save our project before continue. Meanwhile, let's come back to Unity and go to the upper menu. Let's hit Edit and go to Preferences. Here, remember to check everything under CS project files and then select Visual Studio in your version. And at the end, let's regenerate the files. Now, let's come back to Visual Studio and hit Allow it. Now, let's have a try. Okay, so the autocomplete is implemented and the compiler is also done. It may take a while if it's the first time. It may take a few seconds extra if it's the first time. You may feel it is slow, but after it will back to normal. Okay, thanks so much for watching my video. See you in my next video.